everyone! Today I want to dive into a burning question that's on the minds of many QA engineers. Will AI replace us? Let's break it down. The short answer is no. AI isn't here to take over your job, but rather to make it better. Imagine AI as your supercharged sidekick, handling repetitive tasks like running thousands of test cases at lightning speed. This means you get to focus on the more complex, creative aspects of QA. Think about it. With AI taking care of the grunt work, you can spend more time on exploratory testing, designing better test scenarios, and improving overall product quality. AI tools can quickly identify patterns and anomalies that might take humans much longer to spot. But here's the kicker. AI still needs human oversight, especially in understanding context and making judgment calls. Machines aren't great at empathy or understanding user experiences. That's where you come in. Your expertise and intuition are irreplaceable. Also, AI integration means learning new skills and staying updated with the latest tech trends. This opens up more opportunities for growth and innovation in your career. Embrace AI not as a competitor, but as a powerful tool that can elevate your work. So, the future of QA engineering with AI? It's a collaborative one. Together, you and AI can ensure better quality products faster than ever before. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you found this helpful. Keep testing, keep exploring, and stay ahead of the curve. See you in the next video.